Doing well. Today I'm showing you how to export a picture from your Excel datasheet. Imagine this is a table on your Excel datasheet and you want to export it as a picture, either on another file or application, or you can just save it as a picture on your computer. So let's start. You see these three dots here. You click on that. It says more commands. You go to more commands. Then on here, choose command from, you go and choose all commands. Okay, now it shows everything. And we need the camera. So I press C to go to C series. Here is the camera. I send it to my customized and then I bring it up just because I like it to be here. And then I save it. I close this. And now I can see this here. Okay, this is different from take a screenshot, because the taking of a screenshot is the one that you take a screenshot from another source and bring it into your Excel file and Excel sheet. But we are focused today on camera itself. So now that I have it here, I choose my table wherever I want the picture to be taken of. Maybe if I don't want the amount, I just choose up to here. Then I click on camera, and when I click anywhere, you see the picture comes, and the picture is taken from the part that we have chosen. So you can see I didn't choose the amount here, and the amount is not here. So this is a picture file now. You can see it's moving. You can rotate it. You can even resize it. If I go to this corner, you see you can make it smaller. And now how to take it to another file. One of them is just right click, copy, and if you want to take it to, for example, Word, you just paste it here. Right click, paste. It comes here. That's you can use even text edit. You can paste it anywhere. So I just close this one. Okay, and if you want to save it as a picture on your file, not on another application, just right click again, and this time instead of copy, go to save as a picture. Very easy. Then here you have choice to save it as a different type. Here you see this says PNG, you can use JPEG, you can even save it as a PDF, GIF, BMP. I'm going to choose JPEG, and I go to desktop, save it on the desktop. So I should be seeing it on the desktop now. If I open my desktop file, picture one, here it is. It just as a standalone picture, I have it. So this is one way of doing it. There is another way as well. So I delete this, back to the table. Here we go. So I choose it again, wherever I want it as a picture. So I want the whole table as a picture this time. And instead of clicking on this, I show you another way of doing it. You come to this one, copy. There's an arrow here. I click on the arrow, then it says copy as picture. Now I copy it as a picture. Here is asking me as shown on the screen or as shown when printed. So it depends on the printing setting. It might change. For example, if your printer is only black and white, if you save it, if you save it as shown when printed, because your printer is black and white, it will go black and white. If you save it black and white, it understands the setting of the printer which is attached to your system. And the other thing is that it will save it in a way that the whole table get printed when you print it. So today I just need to save it as shown on screen, but I don't want to print it now. Okay, and here just paste it here. So the difference between the two, we just do it again. If I choose this one, and if I click on camera, if I click here, just by clicking, the picture comes here. But if I choose it again, and if I go to this bit, copy as a picture, this time, well, first of all, we get this option. Again, I choose as shown on the screen. Then when I click here, it doesn't come. I have to go right click and say paste. Then I will get this. So that would be another difference between the two ways. Okay, and you can save by right click, save as a picture again. The rest will be the same. This will be the same as well, save as a picture. So that's easy. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.